Morning. I'm Cisco Sapena from Lleida.net. I'm the Executive Director, President and CEO, and sometimes I am the Executive Director of the company. You will feel it later why. But nevertheless, well, we are the first registering operator. This means that when you send something through us, we're able to generate a certificate of what you have sent or what you have received from your own customers. Because keep in mind that the operators, we are considered trusted third parties in front of law. Let's say that when a judge realizes there's an IP or there's a phone number or email address, they request the operators who is behind that email, that IP, or that phone number, and we have to generate a certificate of who's behind. And depending on what we say on that certificate, the people may be jailed or not, okay? Depending on the case, obviously. But we are here to explain you our tools regarding our products, okay? And, well, many times we have to build systems and services to our customers that they have their own customers, okay? And we usually put everyone into some kind of Gauss bell, and at the bottom, we usually put those customers that we think that they may be dangerous for us, those IPs that comes from strange countries, others, guys that we don't think that they're gonna be good ones, and we put the good ones in the middle, okay? Those that we may think that they're gonna be good customers. And many times we think that the relationship of my customer and their customer are going to be equal, okay? In the meaning that, well, if this customer says something and I have something in my logs, well, they are equal. But many times we forget that in this industry, we're dealing with consumers, okay? And the consumer is always right, even when he's lying. So here, well, we have all these nice customers in the middle, like, for example, well, myself, okay? Nice guy, well-dressed. Sometimes even on Fridays I try to be sexy to my wife. Don't ask her, please. Okay? But even sometimes I may change into something different. And, well, I may change myself and become something very different and become that little guy that's not, obviously I'm not a professional performer, but I may change. Hey, come on, be quiet. They're just coders, they just eat sandwiches, they don't eat parrots. They're getting nervous. So I become something different, okay? So, no, I never accepted that conditions. No, you didn't tell me that. No. And the problem is that, well, the problem is that we are dealing with consumers. I become a very bad consumer, okay? And the law protects the consumer. And Houston, we have a problem. We have to prove that that consumer is lying. Okay, and then my logs are not the same as consumer says, what the consumer says. And the problem is, well, now, who's protecting the bank? Who's protecting the fintech company? Who's protecting the merchant? Well, it's what we do. Because when you send everything through our services, you get a copy of what you have sent or what you have received. And it's a certificate made by a telecom operator. And the telecom operator obviously have to change it. Telecom operators, we are considered trusted third parties in front of law. And how we are able to do it? Using our registered email or our core trusting system, which is a connect-to-click. Okay? And, well, just 1 month ago, we got the very good news. Our methodology have been granted, or patent have been granted for the next 20 years. Well, and we are able to provide that proofs in front of any judge. And also, our system, it's very easy. It's very easy, and we use that typical keys technology. I'm sure that many of you know what the keys technology is. Do you remember what keys technology is? Keep it simple, stupid. Okay? And our registering services is as simple as send a carbon copy of the email that you are sending to your customer. Okay? Then we got the copy and we redirect it to the destination saying that this is a certificate, this email is certificate, and we are generating a proof of that. And also, we're able to provide you the connect-to-click. The connect-to-click is a contracting system which is based on our registered email, which basically allows you to send that conditions to your customer, and then your customer may answer, yes or not, or whatever, and we generate a certificate of what you have sent and what you have received from that customer. And this is a totally legally binding contract because it's made by a trusted third party, which is a telecom operator. Okay? We have made it very, very easy in order to let other parties to do it. Actually, we are providing this service on a worldwide basis. We are providing the system actually to nearly 17 different countries. Okay? And one good news for us is that in some of the big ones, this is becoming mandatory. For example, in the EU. In the EU, now any long-distance sales must be recorded on a durable media. Our services are considered durable media. And durable media means that on a near real time, everyone or anyone have to be able to check what you have sent and what you have received from your customer. And now I'm going to let my colleague to show you how easy it is to implement it. And Danny, please.
Thanks. Now we will show you how to do it by yourselves. First of all, we need to go to our website. It's tools.lleida.net. As you can see here, we have all the registered services that we explained last year. And today we are going to focus on Connect-to-Click Basic. As you can see on the following screen, we have 2 templates made. So this is going to be the email sent to your customer and the web page that is going to be shown once they click it. As you can see, we can customize our company logo, the kind of template do you want to use, the colors, even the language. We have 5 languages over here, but we can add more upon request. Then, on the following screen, you can see that we can change the header subject, we can change the body text, whatever you want. And on the following one, we will show you the same case in the web page, so you can add whatever you want. We can use the sign button or accept button, or we can request a handwriting signature. And after that, we're ready to go and send as many contracts as we want. We just have to put the recipients, the schedule a time, and upload it, our contract, PDF contract. But we are not going to focus on our website platform. We are going to show you how with 10 lines of code, we can send as many contracts as we want. First of all, we are going to show you Connect-to-Click API. There are 5 calls there. The first one is to show you how many Connect-to-Clicks have been configured. As you can see, we can use our credentials. Don't write it down because after this conference will be useless. And then we are going to execute, as you can see, with almost 15 lines of code added to your own code, you can send a contract. We're going to execute right now and ready. We are waiting for the reply. It's going. As you can see, it's success. We have the name of the connector click, the ID, the language, if it's ready to send or not, and when it's created over here. And then we are ready to send because we have the connector click ID. And on the following call, what we're going to show you is that you can use also your credentials, connector click ID, the recipients. You can put as many recipients as you want, split it by commas. After that, where is going to be sent the certificate. And if you want to get notice of all the status processes, if your customer signs a contract or not, if they receive the email, whatever is going to be sent to this email address. And then if we're going to send an email right there. Let's go. As you can see, in 2 minutes, we can send an email configured by ourselves. We are going to open our mail browser. And as you can see, we are going to receive the notification that an email was sent to our customer, and it's ready to sign. And our customer is going to receive the following email. We are going to see that there is attachment, it's a contract, and then we're going to click to sign it because we are looking forward to make business with that company. We're going to see the contract proposal, and after that, we can sign it, as you can see here. I'm going to sign the contract. Sorry for my handwriting. It looks like a school kid, I know. And then we are ready to sign, okay? The contract is signed. We have one more customer in our client basis. Then we're going to receive that contract was signed, and we are going to receive the document signed. And after that, we're going to receive the certificate, okay? We're going to open the certificate, and it's going to show us that we send an email to the customer with the following web page. We are going to receive also the time when our customer signs it, and all the technical details like the IP address, the user agent, whose browser is using, and all the attachments that this connector click has. So it's the document that we send without signing. We have the signature over here, so we can double click and open it, but we're going to look after. And then we have the register email that is also attached and show it as a PDF file. As you can see, I attached the FinDEVr schedule, but it could be any kind of contract. After that, my signature, it's my name. And after that, we have the registered email. As we said before, we are a third trusted party, so we can show you how the process is done, when is the time and date of delivery, all the log processing, if that message was received or no, all the attachments of this certificate. It's digitally signed, it's time-stamped, so no one can modify it, and you can use it as a proof in a court of law. And we have 3 more calls to do, so we can show you how many contracts were sent, how many contracts were replied, and also we have a call to download the PDF, the certificate. And thanks for your time. We hope that you will enjoy this presentation, and if you like it a lot, vote us on a poll so we can win the contest.
Thank you.
Thank you.